What's up, everybody? I am cleaning out the NV200 Nissan mini cargo van. Partially, anyway, I should say. I have a few items I'm pulling out of storage that I have sold. I'll show you in a moment. I got a his and hers, those little Vespa scooters or whatever they are. Pink one and a black one. And I got a buyer, and they're gonna meet me at the ferry terminal. So unfortunately, I had to load these up. Here they are. Practically brand new. They're 2011 models, but each has less than 80 miles. I think 78 miles on the black one and 71 miles on the pink one. And I just haven't been using them. I hate to have something that just sits and sits. So my grandson wants to get those little Baja mini bikes. So I plan on just selling these, or they sold, I should say. I just have to drop them off. And then looking to get a couple Baja mini bikes. And that way my grandson can go out trail riding. Just spraying it down with some foam cleaner, general cleaner, scrubbing it up, and then we're gonna move the van so that it's facing downhill and spray it all out. I'll show you. Well, I'm gonna miss these. They were fun. We used them camping. We had an RV and we would put them on the back and take them with us. The light's kind of shining in here. Let me see if I can zone in here. See, 78 miles on this one. And 71 miles on that one. So I was right. There you go. So practically new. I had to have a mechanic come out. They said not to start them if they sat longer than a year in storage. So I had a mechanic come out. He pre-lubed the top of the motor, I guess, put some oil down beneath the spark plugs, and did a manual cranking to get the piston moving up and down. And also cleaned out the fuel lines and flushed out the old gas tank fuel lines and the carburetors. So they're good to go for the new buyer. And I just need to get the hose ready. It's beautiful out there. I got a beautiful sunset. I don't know if the camera will allow me to show that. Of course, my grass is completely dead. I have a landscaper, a new one that comes out. All he does is mow it every 2 weeks and do some trimming. Yeah, I just don't have the time on the upkeep. The last guy used to fertilize it, and I think he had some, what do you call them? Fountain, not a sprinkler system, but a fountain sprinkler. And he would come and move it around. He just lived down the street, but he retired, so I got someone new. So unfortunately the grass dies, but living in the Northwest Pacific, it will rain like crazy coming up in the next quarter. The grass will be a luscious, beautiful green again. I'll have him put down some grass seed. Not sure what I'm caught up on here. So bear with me while I get this straightened out, and I'll show you how I'm going to flush it out. Here. I know. Here, we hold this. Oh, get that vacuum out of there. Just move it towards the front. That's all the pressure we got?
I don't know.
What's wrong with it?
I don't know.
More pressure than that. Is it kink? Go find out what's going on.
Babe, you don't need any more pressure than that. You're just rinsing out the inside of your car.
pressure to blow it out.
Well, I gotta stop this then because we do have a kink in it.
All right, pause it.
I'm doing it right now. Go.
I gotta get that. You should open that side door so everything goes out that way too. Looking good. Alright, now let me get it one more time from the front. Alright, walk around and open. Alright, I'll open that side. I think I got a hook out too. Looks good. All right. Looking pretty good.
How wet did you get it up there?
These vans are awesome. I do have my 3-tier plastic Husky shelves. They're just strapped into the ceiling and on the side there with cords. Not too wet.
Because you're just gonna run grass.
And there's actually no speakers in the back. Those are just where you can put speakers, I guess. I have the premium sound system in the front.
That's what I was gonna say. I'd back
And
up to
load the
wall.
scooters that way.
Oh no.
So there you go. And I had to pull all that out so that I could fit the scooters in here and strap them down. But look at that. Looks like a brand new Nissan. How do you guys clean your cargo vans? Do you hose them out or just wipe them out? Or you just don't clean them? I probably wouldn't have gotten around to actually doing a thorough cleaning unless, you know, I had sold something and had to transport it in this. My son's got the Ford F-150. He was moving to California and they had an extra load that the movers couldn't take, so he's taking my truck. He'll be out there in California for a year. Then they're going to come back and buy a home here in the state of Washington, be closer to home. And just right across, we are like completely surrounded by water. We're right on like a little thumb. You see there? So that side of the street's water, and it wraps all the way around the edge there and comes around the back of my yard. All right. There's the scooters. Sure, I'm going to miss these guys. But in the state of Washington, you have to register these and license plate them. And I purchased these in 2011, brand new in Las Vegas, Nevada. I paid about $1,000 a piece for them. There's the Nissan. These things are awesome. So there you go. I'm going to take these bikes down to the ferry terminal, unload them, get my cash, put my equipment back in, and I'll be busy as ever tomorrow. I was too busy today to film. Sorry about that, but I thought I would put this bonus clip up. And I'll see you all in tomorrow's video. Thank you for watching. Have a great night.